The report shows opioid-related death rates have dropped nearly 25% in the last year right here in Georgia. But experts warn there's a caveat with all of that. 11 Alive's Aisha Howard takes a closer look and introduces us to a mother and son finding healing on the water.
You're out in nature, you are finding out things about yourself.
At the center of Georgia's opioid turnaround are people like Sylvia Huron, a survivor turning pain into purpose.
We probably touched more than 100 lives.
Sylvia's story shows what recovery can look like. She co-founded Reeling in Serenity, a nonprofit using fly fishing as a path to healing.
Fly fishing brings peace.
Each retreat offers a day in nature, teaching fly fishing, sharing stories of addiction and recovery, and building a lasting support system.
It was very, very helpful to mend my mom and I's relationship.
While this kind of treatment may seem unconventional, Dr. Stephen Patrick with Emory's Rollins School of Public Health says it's part of a broader solution.
Public health approaches to the opioid crisis, things like naloxone, which can immediately save someone's life if they're having an overdose, and connection to treatment. We know these things work and they reduce dramatically the risk of overdose death.
New CDC data cites Georgia's 24.7% drop in opioid-related deaths as one of the sharpest declines in the U.S., meaning nearly 500 fewer lives were lost in a single year. But the report cautions Georgia's data may be incomplete due to extensive delays in finalizing death certificates. Georgia's Department of Public Health confirms that the downward trend is accurate, but tells us the data is considered preliminary for now.
While we have a recent decrease in overdose deaths, we're still at some of the highest levels we've ever seen in the U.S.
As the crisis evolves, recovery programs like Reeling in Serenity offer a reminder. It's not just about reducing numbers, it's about transforming lives.
Addiction is a horrible disease. You have to get that support and have someone that you can trust to kind of be there with you on that journey.
Aisha Howard, 11 Alive News.
By the way, Dr. Patrick warns federal funding cuts to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services could also threaten these gains. It's something 11 Alive will be watching closely in the coming weeks and months.